Hi, my name's Erin. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are going to work through a short 10-minute Yin Yoga class that you can do anytime that you're starting to feel stressed or very griefy. One of my favorite things to use is a block or a bolster. And we're going to start off just in Dandasana. So we're going to sit forward with our legs extended long. Pull out your fleshy bits. The thing is with Yin Yoga is that we get into a pose and we hold it for 3 to 5 minutes. This gets into our deep fascia tissue and it calms the nervous system down beautifully. So sit up tall. There's no need to worry about taking your belly to your spine. In Yin Yoga, we allow everything to hang out and we allow gravity to do the work. So sit up tall and then just fall forward. If you have a block, you might want to take that between your knees to support your head. Or you can just drop forward and allow the body to slowly open using gravity. You want to be remembering to take breaths all the way down to your belly and breathe in and out through the nose. Try not to let your mind wander too much. Just if it does wander, just bring it gently back onto focusing on your breath. You can slide a little bit more forward as your body opens a little bit more. Your arms can be folded or down by your side, but there's no gripping here. It's just a beautiful, gentle opening. And slowly, slowly, you can walk yourself back up to a neutral spine. We're next going to go into supported fish. And you can use your block here. You put it about just by the waist. You can have your block here and then lay back on your block. You might want to take a cushion under your head, or you can allow your head to fall back like this. Or if you have a bolster, you can take your bolster. I love my bolster. It's my favorite thing. I love it. And then just allow yourself to fall back like that. You can have your arms just down by your side. You can cactus them or you can extend them out. If you're extending them out at a T, then you'll see you're getting a bigger opening through the chest. And this is a beautiful heart opener. Just breathe deep. This is so calming on our nervous system. Your legs, you can have them straight, or you can come into supported butterfly. Either way, whatever works best for you. I'm pretty happy having nice straight legs and just concentrating on getting a beautiful heart opener here. You might want to close your eyes and just fully surrender your body. And if you're on your bolster, you can slowly, even on the block, just slowly push yourself back up and come back into an easy seated position. If you can't get into an easy seated position, you're welcome to sit on a block. Allow your knees to drop open. Sit up tall. Tuck your chin to your chest and close your eyes. And focus on your breath. You can have your eyes closed, or you can be looking at the bottom of your nose. You can take your hands up overhead, clasp your fingers, and then bring your hands down onto your heart. This is a mudra that helps with confidence, and we know that during times of grief we all lose a lot of confidence. Have your thumbs facing up. Breathe deep. Notice how your breath moves your chest in and out. And then take your hands back up over your head into a prayer position, through your forehead into your heart. Thank yourself for taking time to look after your beautiful body. And thank you for joining me today. Namaste. I hope you have a beautiful day further. Mwah.